When we talk about cryptocurrencies, one of the most essential concepts to understand is a wallet or digital wallet. If you think of cryptocurrencies as digital money, then a wallet is like your wallet or bank account, but specifically designed to store and manage your virtual coins. Simply put, a digital wallet is a tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. However, unlike a physical wallet that holds cash, a digital wallet doesn't actually store cryptocurrencies directly. Instead, it stores the private keys that give you access to your funds on the blockchain. Imagine the blockchain as a giant, public ledger where all cryptocurrency transactions are recorded. Your cryptocurrencies are actually stored in this ledger, and your wallet is what allows you to access and manage those funds. To do so, it uses two types of keys: a public key and a private key. The public key is like your bank account number. You can share it with others so they can send you cryptocurrencies. It's safe to share publicly because it doesn't grant access to your funds. On the other hand, the private key is like the password to your bank account and should never, under any circumstances, be shared with anyone. It is the only way to access your funds, and if someone else gets hold of it, they can steal your cryptocurrencies. There are several types of wallets, each with its unique features, advantages, and disadvantages. The most common types are software wallets. These are applications you can install on your computer or smartphone. They are easy to use and convenient for daily transactions. However, since they are connected to the internet, they can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Hardware wallets. These are physical devices, similar to USB drives that store your private keys offline. They are considered the most secure because they are not connected to the internet, making them immune to hacking. However, they are less convenient for quick transactions. Online wallets. Also known as cloud wallets, these are provided by cryptocurrency exchanges and other services. While they are very convenient, they come with the risk of trusting your private keys to a third party, which can be a security concern. Paper wallets. These are literally your private and public keys printed on a piece of paper. They are highly secure if stored in a safe place, but can be easily lost or damaged. Choosing the right type of wallet depends on your needs, whether it's security, convenience, or accessibility. Additionally, you should always take precautions, such as backing up your private keys and securing your wallet with strong passwords. In summary, a wallet or digital wallet is an essential tool for anyone who wants to use or invest in cryptocurrencies. It allows you to access, manage, and protect your digital assets efficiently and securely. With the right knowledge and precautions, a wallet can open the doors to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies.